Hear my elbow crack? That's what happens when you lifted weights all your life since 10th grade and you're still doing it now. Another Shen RC tip of the day. Get a little CA glue. Hello guys, Steve here, Shen RC. If you remember from my collection video, this beauty here, rally car, the Delta, it's broken and I had to get parts for it. See right there, the front of the gearbox broke, so this just flopped all around. So I got me a big bag of parts here, like you always have to do, and I'm gonna try to fix it. So let's get to work on this beauty. Get the tools out. This thing's nice. I got this X-Cool thing. It has a bit that fits the Tamiya's perfect. Which one is it? I think it's this one. That there fits the screw heads perfect. So we're going to use that. And this driver to store tracks one here. What do we got to do? It looks like we got to get the top. Hope I could do this with this on. I don't know if you will be able to. Looks like we got to take this top piece off. And the whole half of the gearbox. Let's see. I don't have my instructions here, so I'm winging it. I'll just put that aside so I know what I need. Now, I hope I could get this off without taking all this off. We gotta get this top of this gearbox off. There looks like there's 4 screws here too. Looks like the plastic just got brittle from being old. That's what happens. I think I have to find a screw also. I may have it here. I put a bag in here. Oh yeah, smart. Alright, now I really should take this off, but I don't wanna. Let's see if we could get the top off. Yep, that's the piece we need. Now I have to match this up. So the one in here, open this bad boy up. Parts tree. Oh, these are Tamiya. Listen how hard this plastic is. That's why I always say they break. Sounds like glass. What did they think it was gonna last? It's a nice rod. I think they're the same. Let me see. Yep. Right there's what we need. Good enough. Clean up the edges. Not that it matters. It'll probably break anyhow before no sense cleaning up these edges too well. I need a new blade here. Not like you're gonna see it. What am I worrying about? Alright, I'm just gonna go around here with a little grease. Let me go get something so the dirt don't come in. A little bit on your finger. Just go around, tack it on. That way it'll stop the debris from getting in. Should be an easy fix. Should be. The gears? Everyone was worried about these plastic gears in here. They look good. I put my Z-Op grease in there too. I still see it stuck on nice and good. That's what I like about my grease. Alright. I see a little rust on these bearings because I always take this in the snow. But it'll be okay. It ain't that bad. Just a little surface rust. That's it. Just like that. Now, I just gotta screw her back in. Go reverse. Pop it in the thread you had already. Do that to them all. Reverse, forward. That way you use the same hole you had. Hope I could get this down in there. I'll tighten it down once I get all four in there. Oh, I missed it. Dang it. That shock's in the way. Oh, come on. There it is. That's it. Oh, the bits are falling out of this thing. These back ones up. Alright, let me see something here. I have my dog bones out of this, so I gotta put it all back together. So, I'll get this. There they are. Alrighty. Put the dog bones in there. Oh, would help if I put the drive cups in too. It's in the gear. I gotta put that other piece in though. Where is that piece we took off? This, we gotta put that back on to hold it all in place. How was that? Oh yeah, it was like that. Alright, not gonna tighten this up yet. Go in reverse. Oh, this is a new thread. I guess I could tighten that up. Oops, I'm hitting the camera there. Hear my good elbow? Every time I turn, tighten it. Hear my elbow crack? That's what happens when you lifted weights all your life since 10th grade and you're still doing it now. You get a cracky elbow. Alright, this drive bone's in there. This I gotta take out. This front piece here. There's like a piece of cracked plastic in there still. See that? Brittle. Alright. Now, we want to put the other dog bone in. Oh, I gotta put the drive cup in here too. There. Put one of these bad boys in. That's it. Pop this beauty in along with this front one here. Ugh, pain in the butt. I gotta get this in the back first. That's the problem. Let me see. I hope I could get this together without taking it apart again. There it is. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh, I missed this one. Dang it. There she is. Now we can put these front screws in. Right here. Whoa, not like that. Yeah, all these bits are falling out now on this tool. Where's my other screw? Put in this bag here. Saved it. You ever have a car you're not working on that broke in a long time? Always put your parts, if you have any screws and stuff, put them in a little bag inside your car so you don't lose them. The Shen RC tip of the day. Alright, now what do we have to do? Front's all ready. Looks like the back needs the dog bones. Take that out. I think these were out because when I was working on that guy's car, I gave him my parts for mine. And then I found the parts in aluminum, then I took them back out and we put the aluminum ones in for him. Because we couldn't find the stock ones. Alright, another Shen RC tip of the day. Get a little CA glue. Just put a little dab on the back of this, right. A little dab, you probably can't see it. Right on the back of the flat part of the screw head. So that way when you screw it in, like this, it just bottoms out and you tighten it a little bit and that super glues under the back of that head up against the plastic and it makes it like a thread lock to hold it from coming out, because these Tamiya screws always come out. Alright, dog bone. Another little dab of super glue on there. Bottom it out a little tight. That super glue will hold it snug. And that's it. She's gonna live for another run. Everything's working. Everything's ready to go. Fix the beauty broken part. There it is. Let's see if it fits now. Before I was having trouble. Yep. Fits like a beauty. There she is. Fixer-upper right there. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this fixer-upper video. This broke, I believe, sometime in the beginning of last year, the last time I ran it, maybe even more than that. But I took it off the shelf and I was going to use it, and I was like, what the hell, the front's loose. All this post was wiggling around. I found the problem, but we got her up and going again. This one's a blast to run. I got a lot of videos of this one. I tortured the hell out of it. If you check out the TAMIYA TT02 videos I have, the rally ones, whew, this thing took a licking, keeps on ticking. It just cracked, not from me crashing, just because it got old and got brittle. It just around the screw cracked, and that's what happened. But there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this fixer-upper. I'll see you next time. If you're new watching, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Give me your likes and comments, helps the channel out. I appreciate you all watching my crazy RC videos, and I'll see you next time, guys. Shen RC out.